Thousands of people in Rockland County tonight without a home after fire broke out at their apartment complex. Happened early yesterday morning in Spring Valley. And people there say it's the second fire in 2 months. And as CBS 2's Zinnia Maldonado reports, it took hours before the fire alarms went off.
This is happening again, and we could have lost our lives up in here.
Residents in Spring Valley are frustrated following a fire that broke out Sunday here at the Surrey Carlton Apartments along Slynn Avenue.
That's my door. Yeah, this is, and I live upstairs.
Valerie Britt has lived there for 12 years. She says her family did not wake up to the sound of fire alarms going off, only to the smell of smoke.
No fire alarms, no bells ringing, no nothing.
The Spring Valley Fire Department confirms residents started smelling smoke around 2:30 a.m., but the apartment complex's alarm system did not detect the fire, which started in the building's crawl space, until 2 hours later. The department says that's when firefighters were dispatched and alarms started sounding, adding that several residents also dialed 911.
We smell smoke. Me and one of my neighbors from the top floor, we went outside and walked around the whole building. As we looking up, we could see smoke coming out, just coming out. No fire alarms, no nothing.
Officials say around 80 residents have been displaced and are currently receiving aid from the Red Cross. While the cause of the fire remains under investigation, residents tell CBS 2 they feel unsafe returning as a fire broke out in that same building in December of 2023.
Here we are 2 months later, and now everybody's out. Everybody's out.
The fire department confirming it was an electrical fire involving a hallway light. In fact, following last year's fire, this flyer was posted on the building telling residents to dial 911 themselves as their system would not alert authorities.
Whatever you're doing to repair it, it's not working.
Even if they fix this, who is to say that none of this is going to happen again?
Now, the fire chief tells me the complex's alarm system was working on Sunday, but that this building has had multiple electrical issues in the past and that management has done work without proper permits as well. We did reach out to the complex for comment, but have not heard back. From Spring Valley, Zinnia Maldonado, CBS 2 News.